Hi, I'm sorry I haven't made any videos for now you today. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos for a while. My focus right now is not on vans or going on trips, holidays, camping trips, having fun, nothing like that at all, unfortunately. One day I do hope that to have time to do that kind of thing again, but maybe for the next year it's going to be all work. My focus at the moment is on setting up my online shop and making that work, and also on renovating my house and trying to make it livable, although we all are already living in it, mostly in the attic. The ground floor is still a building site. So anyway, if you want to follow my progress with renovating my house, and see all the DIY I'm doing, and later on creative ideas into more interior design, which will link in with my online shop, because I'm going to create a kind of vintage, recycled, preppy look to my home, and that's going to complement all of the things that I'm going to sell in my shop, and it's going to also act as a showcase for the things that I'm going to sell in my shop. So if you want to follow my progress, it's going to be a little bit like when I did the van up, only it's going to be a house. But if you want to follow my progress, I call myself House Fairy. Although it's not as easy as waving a magic wand. I wish it was. I'll put a link to my House Fairy channel in the description box. I haven't made that many videos yet because I haven't been able to do a great deal of DIY yet. I can really only focus on DIY at the weekends. So yeah, House Fairy, the link is in the description, and my online shop link is in the description as well. So if you want to follow me, you have to do it on House Fairy for now, because I'm not going to do any trips in the van other than to the tip, and I do those quite often. And now the van is a little bit dishevelled looking because of it, and it could do with a revamp, so I'll probably in about a year's time start doing more videos about refitting your van, because I'll have made such a big mess of it. Anyway, I'll see you on House Fairy at the House Fairy channel. Bye!